Hello friends, today I am going to share with you how to create professional email on Hostinger. So first of all, I will open Hostinger account and click on manage button. After that, I will go to email section, click on email account and enter a email name in this box like contact. After that, click on domain section. Here we will select any domain for creating professional email. After that, create a new password. And click on create button. So finally, professional email has been created successfully. First number email is created recently. So click on email button. And if you want to log in this professional email any type of email app, so you can use IMAP and SMTP server for login email. After that, I will go to email inbox. So here is Hostinger email inbox. So we can use this Hostinger email box for sending email and receiving email. So in this way we can create professional email on Hostinger.